EON ONE MK2 is a portable, all-in-one battery-powered column PA featuring an acoustically optimized column array with a 5-channel digital mixer, a full suite of professional DSP, Bluetooth functionality, and the JBL Pro Connect Universal app for control. Today, we're going to show you how to set up your speaker for streaming audio over Bluetooth. With the speaker powered on, press the menu button to access the main menu. Scroll to the bottom of the main menu to find the Settings menu and select it with the menu button. The first option of the Settings menu is BT Audio Pairing. Select this using the menu button. While this loading screen is up, our speaker is now discoverable on our phone or source device as EON ONE MK2. Select it to pair the device to the speaker. The EON ONE MK2 will show you when the pairing is successful, and a light will illuminate under the Channel 5 knob. Right out of the box, the EON ONE MK2's gain will be set to -100 dB for Channel 5 and needs to be increased for our music to be heard. To adjust the gain of this channel, first press the Channel 5 knob to bring up the Channel 5 menu. Then use the Channel 1 knob to adjust the gain for the Bluetooth channel. We recommend that you begin playing music from your phone or source device before you start adjusting the gain setting. From the Channel 5 menu, press the back button once to return to the home screen. We have raised the specific channel volume, but now we need to raise the main volume. Out of the box, the main volume is set to the lowest setting of -100 dB. From the home screen, turn the main menu encoder clockwise to increase the main volume. A good starting point would be -20 dB. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at jblpro.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.